If you need to update the phone number associated with your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile and Preferences. Once logged in, find the Profile or Preferences section. This is usually located in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile section, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this to view your current phone numbers. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the phone number you wish to change. Enter your new phone number in the designated field and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm the changes and ensure your new phone number is recorded. Make sure to check your email or phone for any confirmation messages from Wells Fargo regarding the update. Keeping your contact information current is essential for account security and communication.